Eva that we're going to sing a song. Choo-hoo!
Yeah, let me do it and you can dance.
Yeah, guys, sister, woohoo! Maybe got the front. Okay, I'm gonna leave you now. Yeah. Oh, sister, you go up.
At this time, I'd like to bring a few apologies from people who were unable to attend but wanted to send their love and their best wishes to everyone here. If I miss any, you can call out the name and remind me, but Bert and Veronica Schonebel, Bert was the minister, the last full-time minister before Roy. Bert Schonebel was the last full-time minister before Roy started here in 1983. And Bert and Veronica are visiting family in Australia, so they send their love and congratulations. They're very proud of their time with Mangere Presbyterian Church and send their love to everyone. They are heartbroken